I'm making this video mainly to help myself. It may or may not be useful to you. For a long time, I thought something was wrong with me. I got affected easily, I think deeply, I absorb a lot. For years, I tried to fix myself. This year, something finally worked. Not by adding more, but by subtracting. I subtracted noise, scrolling, news, rules, sugar. I built a simple habit system, early mornings, strength training, and daily creation. Discipline became easy, but then I went too far. I started subtracting everything that looked like proving myself, my 4 a.m. routine, my goals, even my habit system. And I felt miserable only after 1 week. And that's when I realized my morning routine was never about discipline. And it's not about proving myself. It was a self-regulating system. For me, it's not optional. It's a basic need. In this video, I want to share how I use early mornings and creation to regulate myself. I think my inner world works like a room. Every day, things enter this room: thoughts, emotions, ideas, market noise, conversations, doubts, insights. Some people have rooms where very little enters. Their rooms stay clean without effort. Some people can live in a messy room and not even notice. That's not me. My room receives a lot, and I see everything. If I don't clean it regularly, it doesn't just get messy, it becomes unlivable. I feel irritated, tired, overwhelmed. My clarity disappears, life becomes painful, and I run toward distractions because distraction used to be the fastest painkiller. But after gaining more awareness, distraction no longer works. It doesn't calm my inner room, it makes it messier. And then I fell into desperation. For me, regulation is cleaning my inner room so I can function well. Now I'm building a structure to support this. Once the structure is in place, I will function better with more clarity, more meaning, more fulfillment. My structure has 3 pillars. First, morning routine. Before the world wakes up, I clean first. This is not discipline, it's preparing my nervous system before new inputs arrive. I read meditations to ground my mind. I write to clarify my thoughts. I work to release emotional residue. I reset my inner space so the day doesn't begin on top of yesterday's mess. Last month, I tried to skip it. My structure broke. That's how I know this routine is not optional for me. It's not productivity, it's maintenance. Second, creating and YouTube. Recording videos is not a creative hobby for me. It's a regulation tool. A gentle uploading rhythm keeps my writing alive. It also protects my time, so I'm not exposed to constant noise. Without gentle pressure, I don't finish. That's why YouTube matters. Recording creates a deadline, a reason to finish the thoughts. This is not performance pressure, it's structural pressure, the kind that helps me clean. For my system to work long term, writing and recording regularly are necessary, not for views, not for helping others, but to keep my inner room livable. Third, subtract the noise. I validate myself by alignment with my structure, not outcomes. No new input after 8 p.m. Daytime noise is replaced with language learning and creation. Investing, I trade less and hold more. I removed performance pressure from YouTube. I no longer ask, is this helpful to others? I ask, does this help me regulate myself? If the answer is yes, it stays. I thought I was strange, but I'm just sensitive. Sensitive means high input, deep processing, frequent maintenance. I don't clean my inner room because it's dirty. I clean it because it's alive and colorful. My morning routine and my creation are not productivity systems, they are my structure. And once sensitive people build the right structure, sensitivity becomes a superpower. in investing, in learning, and in creating.